Vinyl. Convenient. This splash home shower curtain needs no liner to work. The standard size of shower curtain measures 70 inches by 72 inches, which matches your straight or curved shower curtain rod. It also includes a buttonhole header at the top for faster installation and convenience. Waterproof. This shower curtain prevents water bead formation, so that water will swiftly roll off the surface, keeping your bathroom dry and clean, and waterproof. As a result, your bathroom became free from splashes and sprays of water, such as withstanding damp, moisture-rich bathroom and shower environments. Safe. Many low-quality shower liners available on the market contain PVC, a highly carcinogenic compound that emits toxic gas into the air, that can last for a short period. PEVA and EVA contain significantly fewer VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and are a popularly known alternative to PVC since it is chlorine-free and recyclable. Durable Splash Home guarantees long-term capability, which does not easily break or rend, created to help improve the quality that can withstand damage and discoloration. PEVA shower curtain is extremely high-quality plastic. That is why all the newest kinds of household supplies and toys for children are PEVA made. Various design options. Our brand Splash Home offers a great selection of shower curtain liners in different colors and styles. These are likely to be suited in your bathroom color scheme at any home, apartment, condo, hotel, camper, dorm, school shower, athletic club, gym, and everywhere else. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job. I purchased this for my son and his family, as with 4 kids they need something that will stay in the tub and not be too short as to let the water get all over the floor. This did the trick and it works great. Great item for the price point.